is not the peace of the religion. Islam is the religion of peace, who can kill you in many pieces with many weapons as the knife and the sword. So many verses in the Quran is known as the sword verses. Chapter 9, it has been stated in the verse that after the passing the month of the Ramzan, the holy month, because this is holy month, because the Quran sent by so-called Allah, the fallacy of Allah, by the hand of the Jibreel in this month. This is the holy month. And all the Quranic verses which are against the non-Muslims are more than 175 verses of the Quran allow the killing of the non-Muslim. This is the holy month of the Quran. A chronology book which is known as the Quran sent down by so-called fallacy of Allah. Allah is nothing but was created by so-called Muhammad and his brother-in-law Warqa bin Noble and his first wife Khadija bin Khalid, who were the Christians. Khalida converted into Islam, being the wife of the so-called Prophet Muhammad. But Warqa bin Noble was a Christian, and the first cousin of the Khadija bin Khalid, the wife of Muhammad, never converted to Islam. So these verses of the Quran is not belong to the Muslims. Because when Warqa bin Noble was died, there was no sent down any verses of Quran in the name of Allah. Allah was created by Muhammad for his Western interest. So Islam is a totally phobic. This is the reality. The Islam is a very phobic to the society, to the harmony and to the peace of the society. Which are non-Muslims, they are the prime enemy of the Islam according to so many verses of the Quran. So the supermost danger to this society from the Islam and its followers. We have seen so many attacks on the non-Muslim structures as the temples, synagogues, and the churches, and many Buddhist monasteries in the Kabul, both monasteries, the smaller and the bigger one was demolished by these Talibans, because Taliban are the Islamic goons. And Islam is a totally a goonism against the civil society. So Islamic phobia is a true aspect of this society. But some